Holy crap.
Good. Oh, you got 2 of them.
Oh, dude, that's a good fish.
I'll double net.
All right. I'll double net. Hold on, man. Double netted, baby.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
He just came off.
Dude. Oh my god.
We got a mess. I
Dude,
could...
but there are some fish there.
Here, hit the spot lock. Hit the spot lock. I just don't want to get stuck. This is bigger than mine, but sure. Look at that.
Holy crap.
Alright, I'm gonna throw this one back and we'll weigh yours.
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry, babe.
Holy crap. Wow.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
372.
72. Oh yeah.